Welcome, and thanks for joining us for a unique F-Geek experience, leaving Paris Charles De Gaulle Airport on the upper deck of a massive Airbus A380 superjumbo and getting to watch it all from a camera high in the plane's tail. It was a pretty quick taxi to the runway. Before we left, we got to see a Vietnam Airlines Airbus A380 take off in front of us. And next it was our turn. We taxied onto runway 26 right, which is 13,500 feet long at Charles de Gaulle. There's a parallel runway off to the left, and if you look up ahead, you can see a smaller plane landing on it. As the four massive engines of our Airbus A380 ramp up, you can actually see them start to kick up moisture off the runway at the very bottom of the screen. We ended up using 7,500 feet of the runway, a little more than half of it, before we lifted off. We took a break from the tail cam to look out the window and get a view over the huge wing at the outskirts of Paris flying by underneath. We kept climbing out directly to the west, and we were soon above the clouds and on our way to New York. Check out our website for the full report from this flight, plus plenty more videos, photos, and stories about aviation. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video.